If you've got an Instagram highlight sitting on your profile and you're thinking, right, I don't actually want that there anymore, this is exactly what we're fitting today. I'm going to show you how to delete a highlight from your Instagram profile, and we'll also quickly look at what to check if the option you're expecting doesn't seem to be there. So first, open up Instagram and head to your profile page. Under your bio, you're going to see your highlights, the little circles that sit just above your post. Find the highlight that you want to remove and tap on it. Once a highlight opens, look for the 3 dots on the screen, tap those. This opens the options for that highlight. From here, you're going to see the option to delete or archive the highlight depending on how Instagram is displaying it on your version of the app. Select that option and confirm, and that's it. The highlight disappears from your profile. Just to reassure you, this doesn't delete the original stories themselves if they're saved in your archive. It only removes the highlight from your profile. Now, there's a couple of things worth checking if this doesn't behave the way you expect. The first is when you open a highlight, the menu options might look slightly different from what you'll see here. Instagram does change the wording and layout of these menus occasionally, but the option you're looking for will usually sit under those 3 dots inside the highlight. Another situation that catches some people out is when they remove the highlight and then realise they actually wanted to keep the stories. If your story archive is turned on, those stories will still be sitting safely in your archive and you can always turn them back into a highlight later. To check that out, you can go to your profile, tap the 3 lines in the top right, open Settings and Privacy, then go to Archiving and make sure Save Stories to Archive is switched on. That way, every story you post is saved automatically or once it disappears after the 24 hours. Now, that's how you remove a highlight from your Instagram profile. If this has helped you at all, please give the video a like and subscribe, and I'll be able to keep making Instagram tutorials like this one. If you're setting up an Instagram for a business or a project, there's also a free Instagram setup guide below that walks through the key settings most people miss when they're getting started. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.